Hey Queens and Keys, welcome back. Another day in my life. Today I'm actually just doing things around the house. I'm washing, doing some laundry. You see, I made a bed this morning, and within that time frame, after putting loads of laundry in the washing machine and everything, I did a DIY video, where I did the DIY video of my backsplash. So that will be actually up on my DIY channel. So if you have not seen that, check it out. And tomorrow you guys will be, hi to Andre. So tomorrow you guys will be getting the tour of the kitchen, where actually I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and start putting down the rest of the stuff in the kitchen that I need to put down. So we'll do that today. Sorry that this video gonna be out of order, because usually this video will be what you'll get Sunday, but I promise you guys that I will give you the tour of the kitchen. That's the reason why you're not getting this video. So this video gonna be right behind, like behind. So anyway, so let's go ahead and put these mats and stuff down, because I need to put these down, so therefore I can do the last little bit of stuff that I need to do for the kitchen. But I am loving my backsplash. But anyways, let me start running my mouth. You know, if you guys into all things home decor, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so you'll see more of Andre and I, as well as Jem, you know, Sleeping Beauty. That's all she do, but she's up right now though. But anyways, let's get started. I want to put these right here in the kitchen like this. What y'all think? Because I didn't order this runner that I wanted to get that looked like the rug in the front room. This, I'm just sitting on top of the refrigerator because I have nowhere to put it. All right, y'all, so the kitchen is complete of what I'm gonna do in here. Child, don't worry about those. Those are actually coolers. Y'all know I ain't got nowhere to put them, so they fine just like that, okay? But I'm loving my kitchen. I'm loving it. I am loving this. But this is the kitchen. All right, y'all, so at this point here, the full kitchen tour is up. I give you guys details on everything that's in this kitchen, where I purchased it from, links and things like that. And if you don't see the link or whatever, you want something, just let me know and I'll go get the link and pretty much drop it down to your comment or so, or put it in the description box. But yes, I'm done with the kitchen. I want to tackle the dining room, but the way how things going, I'm not gonna be able to tackle the dining room. So because I want to just keep the flow going. So I don't know, I just think about it later. I'm not gonna let it take over me right now, but we're about to go ahead now and do some laundry, something that I dread of doing. I hate doing laundry. I hate the part of, well, you have to sort them. You have to wash them. You put them in the dryer or hang them out on the line, because that's the way I grew up, hanging all the clothes on the line, honey. When I got my first apartment and it had a wash and dryer, honey, you couldn't tell me nothing. I know I was moving on up. I was moving on up to the east side. You hear me? So yeah, because I was one of those ones who had to hang their clothes up on the line. And I was living with my mom when I had Willie. And you know the little tiniest little baby socks and stuff, little clothes, baby, those tucked me over to the point that I just got a big old blanket or a sheet or something, just sprayed it, put it on the ground, and just sprinkled the clothes like season. Oh, little by little, and you know, he had the little clothespins. Girl, no, I wasn't about that life no more. I learned my lesson, and I was like, it is what it is. I don't care. Somebody can come scoop them up. I don't care. But for some reason, whenever you wash, you never find the other pair of socks. You stay losing some socks. But anyway, y'all, just my little rant. But yeah, I hate doing laundry, obviously, as you all can see. So, but what I'm about to do is go ahead and fold up some clothes, sort them out, the ones that I need to hang up, and pretty much hang them all up too. I hate it. I see why some people actually have others to come clean up and stuff for them sometimes. I do. For days like this.
down and hands from before.
I need to go through this, but it is not gonna happen. That's that. The closet's still intact, y'all. I don't do nothing but wear work clothes now, so that's why it's still intact. But that is done. Girl, I'm reaching over there for the light. Hey. Yeah, when I tell y'all I'm tired, gotta go take Andre.
Pick a juice.
Okay. Go take Andre outside so he can run around for a little while.
I put in my scooters and my swords.
I'm tired. Between the kitchen and these clothes and the little slight cleaning here and there.
Just like cleaning hair there? What?
Yeah, I'm about to go outside before the sun go down.
So. But I'll go outside before the sun go down. Yay!
So, let's go let him go outside. Go get your shoes and stuff.
Yes. Daddy, we probably go outside right now. Okay. Now, come here. Okay.
God is beautiful. Just look at that. So pretty. I just love the reflection of the light on the mirrors and everything. It's just so pretty.
Mine for you, not me. I'm
gonna tell you, this boy here just won't let me rest. Who told me to have a baby at this age? Stop having till at 35, y'all. Okay? Stop. You know what? Matter of fact, that's a lie. Stop at 30. Because I had him at what? Oh, he is 7. I'm 40. So I was 33 when I had him. Stop at 30. Stop at 30. So this is basically what we come to do. So he can ride this scooter up and down here. Look at the gooses everywhere. It's because this Spanish guy over here, he feed them all the time. Let it be everywhere. Look at that one. I see that.
I don't know how to do it this way. I don't know how to do it this way.
Look at the goose. Look at the goose. The goose. Look, y'all. They feed. See the man feeding them?
Can I play with
Look
him?
at him running over there.
But can I play with him?
Yes, you can play with him. Look at him. Chow time. Look. Bow leg. He feeding them. Look. That hair standing up on the head trying to get to it. It's chow time. Look at him. So, Andre done found a friend. And the little boy playing ball. And there go the scooter. No more for the scooter. Wait, seriously?
Mom, I can't hear it.
Hold on, Dre.
Huh?
All right, y'all, so we're back in. Got his water running. You hear my bath? Yes? Okay, good. I'm tired. This was one busy day today, so I'm beat. So I'm pretty much gonna end this video here. Queens and Kings. So if you guys enjoyed Days in the Life with us, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you all in the next video. You guys continue to be blessed as well as royal. And with that being said, Queens and Kings, that crowd may tilt, but a damn show won't fall.